another episode of Real Beauty, Real Food, and Real Life. It's your girl SJ. And I'm going to show you another way to make sweet potatoes. And you don't have to put sugar on it. Right now I'm preparing to clean them and keep the skin on them. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the key ingredient that you need to make the sweet potatoes. The reason being is because it has every single spice that sweet potatoes work with. Now, I add the ground chipotle for a little spice. The cayenne actually enhances the flavor of the sweet potatoes. Believe it or not, it's not a spicy sweet potato. Trust me, I can't believe it either. And then, of course, you gotta have butter. And then I usually add a cinnamon stick. I wash my cinnamon sticks off. You'll split these potatoes in half, or like a little slit in them. And then I'll show you what it looks like. After you get them seasoned, you're ready to put them in the oven. You want to put them in the oven for about an hour and a half. Back in and let you see what the completed sweet potato look like. However, they ate up the original ones I made, so I ended up having to make some more, and these were a lot bigger. The sweet potatoes are really good. Apparently, they like them. We used to only cook sweet potatoes during the holidays, but ever since I started doing this recipe here, we've been having them regularly. And I use them in my meal preps. Oh, they're just awesome. And you don't need the added sugar to make these things work for you. If you feel that you really need some additional sugar, I suggest you get some agave. That is like your next best thing without doing all the extra sugar carbohydrates and things. So comment below and let me know how you prepare your sweet potatoes. Do you saute them, or do you boil them and smash them, or do you cook them in the oven? I do all of those things. And let me know what you think or how you do yours. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. It's your girl SJ. I'm out.